This video could have been 10 seconds long, so here's the 10-second version. Go to One.com, choose a domain and a website plan. Then ask our AI to create a personalized portfolio website for you. Drag and drop to Customise. There you have it. With Website Builder from One.com, it's that easy. And you can check out the description to get started with our free trial. That said, if you watch till the end, we promise you'll leave with the knowledge to take your portfolio to the next level, so you can stand out from the crowd. So, let's get started. My name is Philippa and I'm a content creator here at One.com. We have helped millions of professionals succeed online, and today it's time for you. It doesn't matter what type of portfolio website you want to create. It can be for photography, graphic design, architecture, acting, writing, and much more. You still need to start with a domain. By the way, what do you want to show off in your portfolio? Let us know in the comments below. No matter what you do, start by picking a domain. Your domain should be personal, unique, and not too long. For a portfolio, a good domain can be as simple as your name. If your first choice isn't available, check out domain extensions like .me or .info. There are even industry-specific domain extensions like .actor or .design that can be a perfect fit for your portfolio. You need a website plan to host your new website. Website Builder Starter from One.com is a perfect choice for a simple portfolio. If you want more features and higher performance, you can easily upgrade it in the future. Okay, let's dive in. Log into your account, click Website Builder and get started. Choose a category that fits your website. Add your website name, add a short description and contact details. Here it is, your new website. You can drag and drop all design elements, add new ones, edit text and do whatever you want. There's even an AI to help you write and rewrite. For your portfolio website, it's important that the design feels right for you and your brand. The Website Builder AI can create a design that comes close to your vision. But you can, of course, make small changes like changing the colors. If you want a completely different design, you can create a new page and pick one of our many templates. We have a whole category for portfolio websites. Once you've picked a template, you can change existing pages to that template design by clicking Settings and then Template. Coming up, we'll give you our 3 best tips for converting visitors into customers. But first, here are the best features you should add to your portfolio website. Images are usually crucial for a nice-looking portfolio. You can add a photo just by dragging it onto the page. You can also include a full-width photo by adding a new section and setting a photo as the background. The photo adapts automatically to any device, and you can add a nice scroll effect like parallax. Speaking of cool designs, fonts can be a great way of expressing yourself. You can pick a custom font by clicking Template Setting in the lower right-hand corner. You have around 20 options, but there's a trick that gives you even more choices. Click the plus icon to pick any font from Google Fonts. You can see a preview of each font or open Google Fonts to find your favorite among thousands. This is a great way to make your website look professional and unique. That's nice, but wait, what's the goal of your portfolio? Is it to get a full-time job, get gigs for your weekends, or what? No matter what it is, your website should be focusing on fulfilling that purpose. But how do you do that exactly? Here are our top 3 tips. Number 1, decide on one call to action. A good portfolio website is focused and clear. What do you want your visitors to do? Do you want them to write you a message, subscribe to a newsletter, or book a video call? Think about what you want and what your target audience wants from you, and combine that into a compelling call to action like a button. For a wedding photographer, a good call to action can be book a free meeting. Clear and risk-free offers make visitors more likely to convert into potential customers. Number 2, social proof can be the key to conversions, especially if you're new to the game. Social proof can be a recommendation from someone, and it can be a game changer. It can give your visitors a quick boost in their trust towards you. It would be a big bonus if you can include a list of brands you've worked for. Number 3, let's not forget about your actual portfolio. A portfolio website is all about showcasing your best work, so don't just put it all in one place. Pick your best work. It doesn't have to be the work you did for your biggest clients. It just needs to show people how good you are at what you do and let visitors envision what great things you can do for them. It can be videos, photos, music, or whatever you make. It all works perfectly with the website builder. Picking your best work and presenting it well isn't always easy. That's why it's so nice to have a website builder that's easy to get started with and that makes customizing your website super easy. And you don't even need any coding skills. Don't believe us? Check out this video where we challenged some of our employees to build a website using website builder in a language they don't know. And if you haven't tried it already, make sure to check out our website builder yourself. You'll find a link to our free 14-day trial in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more videos about how you can succeed online. We'll see you in the next one. Bye!